So let's actually break down the base rotation into any other steps that happen. So I'm starting up on my toes. I'm dropping into this athletic base position. From here, I'm going to rotate my hips. The front foot is going to be my push-off foot, so I can start and initiate my new line of direction. So one more time, I'll face this way. I'm coming up, dropping down, change, and shift. One more time, from this side, I'm coming up, dropping down, change, and shift. If you're doing the shuffle variation, you're just going to maintain the quick push off of the lead leg and quickly shuffle through. So it ends up turning into more of like a very quick and repetitive step. So let's put it all together. I'm up here at the top. I'm dropping down, switch, push, 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 and off we go.